Hi guys, this is Mike for Maker Generation. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today we focus on scratch coding. So we make a little game and we'll focus on the repeat until instruction. So I'll show you how to use that and when is it used. Alright guys, so for those of you who don't know what Scratch is, so you go to Google and you type Scratch MIT, click enter, and you click on the first one, the first link, scratchmit.edu. Click there and you should have this window, this interface, and you click on start creating. May take a couple of seconds, but we're getting there. So it will bring you to this interface, and you have this window with a couple of tips. If you're new to Scratch, you can take a look at it. If not, you can just close it. Alright guys, so here we are, the Scratch interface with Scratchy. This is how I call it, and the main character, the mascot. And we see what we try to do. We try to use, as I said to you, repeat until, but it is this function. I show you how to use it and when to use it and what it does. And for that, to explain you that in a funny way, I made a little game. For that I need to choose two sprites, and here I go. I want a beetle, and I want what do I want? I want a beetle, and I want the cat. Where is the cat? This cat. Alright, so I can get rid of his cat too. Alright, and let me change the direction of that thing. Put it here, and then put that like this. Put this like this. Change the direction of that thing too. We try to. Alright, so it should be okay. If I need to make some changes, I make some changes. Alright, this is what I'm trying to do, guys. So you go to events, when I click on, and we said repeat until, right? So this is what I'm gonna get. So this is what I want to do. I want the characters to keep moving until one touch another, and when this is done, it will do what is there. So meaning by that, keep moving, and and I use that function. If on edge, bounce, meaning it will bounce. Let me show you. There we go. You see, it bounces when it touches the edge. All right. So I want it to repeat until it touches the other character. Alright, until touching the beetle. Let me move the beetle a little bit. Until touching the beetle. Now let's see if it does just that. Alright. Let's go. Boom. Alright, it does stop. So that's a good thing. Alright. And normally, it does what is after. It does that, when I click on the green flag, it keeps doing the loop. And when we have reached the condition, meaning touching the beetle, it does what is after. Okay. Let me see. What is after? So you can just put play a sound, we can do that. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice kitty. Alright. Alright, so that's the type of game you can make. To make the game funnier, this is what we do. We reduce the size of those things. Let's put it at like 50. Let's see. Alright, so yeah, now it can be done. Alright, and this is what we will do. We do the same thing for the button. So I take the code here, I put the code just right here, and I switch it for when touching cat. Okay. Sound. So I can switch that one for like pop. Play some pop, you know. But it will make that would be too much confusing because both of them are playing. So, and this is what I want. I say, you got me. You got me. So I hope you understand that the concept I'm trying to say. Okay, repeat until we. Alright, so yeah. Now it can be done. Right. And this is what we will do. We do the same thing for the. So I take here, I put the code just right here, and I switch it for when touching cat.